The stakeholder workshop in South Africa was insightful and humbling. So on the one side, we learned so much, especially regarding case study 1 and 8. And we also learned that there's still so much to be learned and so much more engagement that needs to be done to better tailor the climate services so that they really address the needs of the users. That there will need to be more conversations, more testing, backwards and forwards, so that really what we develop is and has the impact, the positive impact that we would like the services to have.
So during the workshop there were several moments very, very important. I think that the most important was when we were able to speak with the farmers. And as always happened to me when I go and speak with the farmers, they are always clear in what they want. Especially one sentence that really touched me was the one said by a farmer. He said, "What we really want is an average season, not a dry season, not a wet season, but an average season." And I think that this message is very, very powerful.
The workshop has been very, very successful in the sense that it gave a platform to stakeholders, researchers, to come together and find a common, approach around understanding, the project and where it's going. And I think everyone is full of enthusiasm in terms of, anticipating some good out of it.
Yes, this workshop is particularly important because I have to say this project started just in the middle of the first lockdown of COVID, of the pandemic, and we were not able to meet as partners, consortium partners of this project. We were not able to travel to Africa, which is the region where we are working, which is the focus of our project. So for the implementation of the project, this workshop is really important. We have done a lot of work, but in virtual mode. We acknowledge the achievement that we have done so far, but we also realize that this first workshop and meeting in person, we are advancing much, much more. And we are finally discussing in depth on the issue and challenges of the project.